There's a squirrel. He said, feed me.
Nick, Jacob. Hi, Jake, dude. Say hi to Grandma.
Hi.
Jake, the kids are feeding the fish. We're at the... What is this tower, Marilyn, called?
The Bach Tower.
The Bach Tower. It's way up there, and it's a bell tower. We're waiting for 1 o'clock when... Oh, you can't see the top of the trees in the way. We're waiting for 1 o'clock when the music plays.
Okay, here's some more.
He's like, feed me, baby. Jacob, watch this where he comes up.
Well, when he comes up, he wants you to give him food. Give him food,
Neither
Nikki.
one of you have any here.
Wait for him to come up and then feed him. Sorry, I think these fish are really ugly, but the kids think they're beautiful. Tadpoles. Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, that was very nice, Jacob.
There's more than 2 feet deep. Don't get too close.
Yeah, no kidding. I ain't jumping in after them. Marilyn, you're going to have to be the better person.
That's what I'm saying. If it's more than 2 feet.
Oh.
There you
Okay,
go.
so now we have, Marilyn, we now have on tape that neither one of us would save our grandchildren.
Only if it's more than 2 feet.
I hope I'm recording. I am.
Do anybody want one? Do anybody want one? Come to me. He did this very fast. I didn't know. Oh, he wants one.
Will you stand back? Please.
He ate 2.
Come back here.
Oh, there's the bells.
It's 12 o'clock.
There's the bells. Look at this area. You have to see it, everybody. It's so gorgeous. It's almost as beautiful as Giverny. Oh, absolutely beautiful. And this goes on for miles. There's paths everywhere. It is absolutely magnificent.
It's over here.
Are you feeding squirrels, Marilyn?
Yeah.
Do you know what squirrels are?
Rats.
Yeah.
They're cute.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think squirrels are cute. I don't know.
Do anybody want one?
Oh, Jacob! Too close! Too close! Okay, I'm going to shut this. This is the bell tower. We're going to go to the concert and hear the ringing. And this is how gorgeous these grounds are. Jacob and Nick, say hello! You looking at the swans? Let me see. There's the swans in the water. It is so gorgeous here. There's the tower. Yeah, I see that. Who knew this was here in Florida? So cool. So cool. Okay. Okay, just listen to the music. This is the concert from the bell tower. So cool. There's a guy in there playing this. It's not an organ, but it's like an organ. Here's the concert, boys. You hear the music?
Listen to it.
Does it say how long the concert goes for?
No, I didn't see it.
We having that concert too.
Okay. Jacob, do you hear the music, dude? Yeah, isn't it beautiful? Oh, Nikki. Go over here and do a puppet show for us. Make them dance to the music.